guys, welcome back to another video. It's like 8:15 and I'm so tired. I'm about to do something really fun today for my hair. I've been wanting to do this for like a really long time now, probably since like February. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing something really fun today and I thought I'd vlog it for you guys. So I'm about to just like jump on the bus and get to the place that I'm going at. I usually go to the Aveda Institute in Minneapolis because, in case you guys didn't notice from the background, I'm back in the States for the summer. And yeah, I'm just gonna take you along with me and you're gonna see the whole process and how long it takes to do what I'm about to do. Without further ado, let's go to the bus because I actually really need to go. So guys, 7.5 hours later, this is what I look like. So I did a blonde, I did champagne blonde a balayage. I did a champagne blonde balayage. So as you can see, I still have my I still have my red, natural hair in there. I just wanted something that, is lighter for the summer and just kind of like fun and flirty. So yeah, sorry I'm so red too. It's like 80 degrees out and I think I got a little sunburn. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I love it. I love it. I love it. I will put a photo on my Instagram and I will tag where I got it done and who did it for me and everything. So if you're in the Minneapolis area, you can always check her out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.